Thank you for calling Automotive. This is Andy, your AI attendant. How may I help you?
Hi, I just went and got my car cleaned and everything, and when we went to back out, it was making this screeching sound, like the brakes. They're brand new brakes. I just had them put on a few months ago.
I understand your concern about the screeching sound, especially with new brakes. It might be a good idea to have it checked to ensure everything is functioning properly. Could I get the year, make, and model of your vehicle? Additionally, when were you hoping to bring it in for an inspection?
Um, I was wondering if today I could get it just looked at. It's a RAV4 2016, 17, sorry.
Thank you for confirming. You have a 2017 RAV4. Unfortunately, Anderson Automotive is open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., so the team is currently unavailable to assist right now. Would you like me to arrange for someone to call you back tomorrow during business hours to schedule an inspection? If so, could I have your preferred phone number or email?
Um, my number is 289. My name is Margaret. I've had my car there before.
Thank you, Margaret. Along
Yes.
to the team, and they'll get back to you during business hours to arrange an inspection. Thank you for choosing
Thank you.
Automotive. Margaret, have a great day.